Well, guys, we got rid of the 2007 Jeep SRT8 and we picked up this 2019 GMC Sierra Elevation 1500 long box, 6.6 bed, crew cab, 5.3. First mod was tinted all up, put 15 in the rear doors, 20 in the front, and 35 on the front windshield. Came with the 20-inch wheels, nice tires. Again, this is the crew cab Elevation, long box. (2019) 65,000 miles, not bad. Got a really good price on it. It's got the electric rear slider, sunroof, no leather. Second mod was to level out the back. Took the 1.5-inch block or 2-inch block it has on the back, leveled it out. Next we'll be getting the running boards, the bed cover that should be showing up soon, but it's completely murdered out on the glass. My grandkids are in there, you cannot see them. So yeah, this is the new one to the channel. We'll see how this comes. Crew cab, it's huge back here. Got my grandkids in here. Let's open the sunroof.
Papa, it's also dirty with this. Papa, it's always...
The sunroof. So we'll see how it looks with the sunroof open. So yeah, no more Jeep SRT8. This is something new. You can't see anything inside with the sunroof open. Fog lights, or driving lights, I think you call them. All color matched. Again, these are the 20-inch wheels with the 275 60s, 20s. Already came with the rhino lining. Again, no leather, but I mean, hold on guys. It's got no leathers, but it's nice. Sunroof again, tinted up. Really clean truck. Right, Jay? You like this truck?
Yeah, better than the other one.
Better than the Jeep?
Yeah.
So there it is, guys. Just to be the new one to the channel. Again, next, the running boards, bed cover. Oh, and I also ordered the S&B cold air kit. Probably be the next mod on it. We'll see how this goes. Maybe exhaust down the road, maybe tune it. There it is, guys. Let me know what we should name her. Got a pretty blue color on it too. I've never seen one this color. I mean, then again, when I had the Jeep, I wasn't paying attention to anything else. Let me know what we should call this one, guys. No, and I don't want to hear La Mamalona. But let me know what we should do. What should be the next mods after the cold air and the running boards and all that. All right, guys. I'll keep you posted on this. Thank you.